Hi there, hope you're doing good. So this is the second video of the Google Sheet workflow automation. What we are actually doing, we were submitting some forms and we are getting some entries in here, which will immediately go into the check-in and check-outs. So this is basically an inventory system. So it will always go into the check-in and check-out and update the inventory system. But then the issue arises that if someone makes a change to the form, maybe a typo that is being corrected through the Google form, it will update this sheet, and obviously there will be a note in the file automatically. So we thought that we can use it like get an email per day showing up. Okay, though there are some comments in it, so that you can rectify those. So what you have to find out, okay, so this is the product which has been updated to 2, and this was the time. So you have to see this time. This is a check-in, so you have to check in here. Okay, this is the time, and you have to update the value accordingly in here. All right. So, and accordingly, if there is a change in the sales form, if there is any note, you need to go into the checkout and find out and make the change accordingly into that entry. Okay, so I have built this setup, and what it will do, you need to again activate the automation. So there will be another trigger which will trigger the email at 8 a.m. daily in the morning, and you will receive an email showing up that you have some changes to be made. There are some new comments on different sheets. So sales order form has update in link to, so you can, I have created this as an hyperlink. So if you will click on it, it will take you to that file and immediately to that cell. So now it took me to sales order form, and it's showing that, okay, there is a comment in it. So once you will see, okay, so this product has a comment in it and you want to change the value to it, you need to go into the check-in or check-out, make the change. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, like there are three of them, once you rectify all of these changes in the main sheet, you can jump in and you can click this button. Let me update. This is not showing the real menu. Let me refresh the file. So once you are done with the changes, like this note, I have added another option, clear notes. So once you will clear a note, click this button. Any notes available in any of these two tabs, restock or sales tab. Once you will click on it, clear the notes. All the notes will get clear so that you will not receive the same email tomorrow for this note. All right, so that is it. That's the complete setup. Again, you need to activate the code one more time so that it can add the email part, and you will receive an email on this format showing that you have an new email, which I tested 23 minutes ago, and you can click on it and it will direct you to the file where you can rectify the changes in check-in, check-out in the relevant columns. Because again, you have to trace the time, which time's entry it is, or maybe the email address. I think the email address will be same. So whatever the email address, you should track it by the date and time, and that will be only in the last 2 days. Oh, sorry, last 24 hours, obviously, because we'll be receiving the email daily. But if you will not rectify the notes once clear, if you will not do this, it will pile up, and it will keep on adding the listing, maybe 10, 20, or 30, whatever the changes are there. So this is the complete setup. This way we can track if there is any change made in the user form, which need to be updated in the check-in or check-out, so that you always have the correct inventory system, which is in this tab. So to keep this one updated, you have to do this. And let me show you another thing, that if you want to restart, like if you don't want this email or the entry to be updated into the system, you just need to click and clear this, then go to the sales and clear this as well. If there are any entries, then go to the form. If there are any responses click on it and delete all the responses. Similarly for this one, let me refresh if we have any. Yeah, we do not have any responses. So you just need to come in here and delete the responses. Once you do for these two, any new entry will be coming in here and you will have a fresh entry. And also you have to delete the check in, check out. This is only for when you are starting fresh and you want to start clean, blank, without any entries in inventory tab or any entry in the check in or check out. So this is the two setup thing I just mentioned. Yep, that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further clarification, and we can charge this one once you are satisfied and happy to pay. Thank you. Bye.